Just wanted to give a quick little review here of the US General 44-inch box here. This is a Series 2. I don't know what happened to the nameplate over here, but I got it used off of Facebook Marketplace for 400 bucks, which it looks like absolutely new condition. First thing I was having a problem with is these drawers are super sticky. So let me show you this one. 3 here. I'm gonna pull it. Kind of tell. There it goes. But you can kind of tell it's kind of tough, and then when you push it in, it's like. Ugh. So I don't know why I'm having so much of a problem with it. I'm sure it gets better when tools are in there, but I just felt it was too tight as it was. So reading online, a little bit of a lithium grease here, white lithium grease, and the little bumpers in the back there, and it works so much better like that. Just smoother feeling. The drawer glides could probably be greased too. So I got the drawer pulled out. All of these could actually probably use a little bit of grease here too. And then all the way back here, there's just this little bumper right here, and I actually have some white lithium grease on there. Just throw a little bit on there and it'll work just fine. So I've been playing around with some lubes to see which one is better here. I greased the top rail with white lithium grease on the bumpers and then this drawer slides, and it's actually a little stiff. I'm not exactly, wasn't too pleased with that. It's better than it was, but it's still a little stiff. This Tri-Flow lubricant, which is just PTFE, which is Teflon, I think, and then lithium grease. So I did this one with lithium grease on the bumpers and then Tri-Flow on the ball bearings. And watch this. I don't know if you guys, let me back up here. Like, and then way easier than what it was. This one, let me watch. And that's stock, so that's just how I got it. I mean, you can't even, but then this one's like all the way here, about the same force. It's just feels smoother. And then the close, oh yeah, look at that. This one, so if I did that with just a finger flick, not closing, getting close there. This one. So Tri-Flow on the ball bearings and white lithium grease on the rear bumpers seems to be working. If it gums up or does something, I'll leave a comment to update you.